Hello guys, this is how to fix an unrecoverable error on Roblox. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So in your browser, you're going to go ahead and open up your settings by clicking the three dots. Then you're going to click on privacy and security. And then you're going to click on cookies and other site data. Click on see all data. Once you navigate there, in the search bar on the top there, you're going to search for Roblox. And then go ahead and clear the site data. Then head back to Roblox, reload the page. Once that is reloaded, you're gonna go into the start menu, then type in percent app data percent, and then search. And then you're gonna navigate to app data at the top there. Click on that, and then click on local, and scroll down until you find the Roblox file. Then you're gonna right click that and delete. And then the next step would be to open up your settings, and then click on apps. So we want to uninstall Roblox. So we're gonna go ahead and look for Roblox. Just go ahead and search for it. And then we're gonna go ahead and uninstall it by clicking the three dots next to it, uninstall. And the application is uninstalling. Go ahead and click OK. And then to reinstall the Roblox app, we're gonna go ahead and navigate back to our browser, and then pick any game of your choice. Could be any game. Let's go ahead and click on it, and then click play. So this will force a reinstalling of the app. So go ahead and download and install. That shouldn't take too long. And the game has been successfully installed. And then what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go back to our search menu at the bottom right there. And then we're going to type in Roblox. And then we're going to open file location, right click on that right there, click on properties, and then compatibility, and just ensure that you've disabled full screen optimization, and then you'll go ahead and apply the changes. So that should fix the unrecoverable error. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.